Welcome everyone. This is IPO Market Watch. My name is Mike and I don't cover just IPOs. So if you've been following me for some time, you know that I cover stocks already trading on the market, come up with buy videos that I think are great. One of the most recent videos that I did was for ticker symbol NXE. Check that out. We're already up on that. So that was a YouTube video. Had you watched it? And if you liked it and you did your own research and bought it, and it was just like 10 days ago, I think that I did that video, or 2 weeks at most. It's, so it's gone up a lot since then. So it's pretty cool. All right. So in this video, guys, I've been asked, actually, let me take this back. So I've been asked by a viewer that, Mike, you make a lot of videos, he said, and a lot of your stocks that you talked about, I looked into them, I got into them, and I'm up and everything is cool and everything's great. But can you focus on one out of the many stocks you've talked about recently? Focus on one that you think is going to be a good one, right? And so I can focus on that too, and so on. That's a good question, right? And it's a good thing that the viewer pointed that out. And I will focus on one. I will give you one of my highest conviction stocks right now. This is a stock that I have done 2 videos in the past on YouTube for you guys, and I am still bullish today on it going over 100% gains. Now, with that being said, also I do have in this video a major catalyst for this stock, and that's pretty much the point of why I'm making this video, because this catalyst is, if it turns out true, will push the stock higher than what it is right now. All right, so before we get to the stock, as always, I want to update you guys on things that have been going on recently. One was over on the Discord, I had given a report, right? I make my own reports sometimes and I give them to them in the form of a link, the blue that you can see here. The Discord members would click on this link and watch the report that I had made for them. And the report was for ticker symbol STHC. It was trading at $25.81 at the time. I called it a buy. Ended up selling it at $31.19, all within this year in 2024, so I think that's a great gain. Some of the other things going on in Discord, I called for quick trades, just for quick in and outs. KULR at 37 cents, and we got out at 41 cents. 39 cents, got out at 42 cents. So those are actually not bad at all. Those are good quick gains for tiny nano play penny stocks. Also, UBS to launch new $2 billion buyback plan amid Credit Suisse takeover. This is news that came out today as I'm recording this video, guys. But I did call UBS a buy back on February 6, 2024 at $28.75, and we were able to sell it at $31.77 on the 13th of March 2024. If you want to join us, the link will be in the comment section below. All right, guys. So the stock is Skywater Technologies, ticker symbol SKYT, one of my top favorite stocks to own in my portfolio. Right, so that's just my opinion, of course. I'm going to play for you a very quick video that shows very well what Skywater Technologies is all about, but stick around after the video if you want to know the major catalyst, guys, that could make this stock go higher in 2024.
Skywater is disrupting the industry by changing the way new technologies are brought to market.
Skywater Technology is a pure-play foundry that focuses on delivering differentiated technology solutions to our customers through custom process technology development, combined with instilling manufacturing discipline into the production development process.
The vision of Skywater is to improve the world by revolutionizing technology realization. And we do this by co-creating solutions with our customers. This highly collaborative approach combines our deep and diverse process technology expertise with the design expertise of our customers. The result is novel and unique solutions that have a big impact in the marketplace.
Skywater builds on our rich mixed signal legacy, and we've developed a lot of new technology capabilities including things like superconducting technology for quantum computing, photonics, infrared imaging, things like cryogenic CMOS and microbolometers, and other very novel and interesting technologies.
Skywater is driving change at a time where it truly will impact the industry. And this is something that gets me and my 500 coworkers really excited, because it's all about driving change, creating capabilities that don't exist, and doing it with the products and services we use in our everyday life. And that's something that really can get you excited about the opportunity that we have here at Skywater.
Now, in the past, I did swing trade for short-term trades and so on SKYT because I didn't think it was ready to take off, and I was right. Let's for example, January 17, 2023, bought it at 9.55, sold it at 14.20. Those were things I called in the Discord at 8.97 and sold it at 10.52, and then another trade at 8.94, sold it at 10.41, all within 2023. But in 2023, August of 2023, guys, I ended up buying Skywater Technologies again, and that was the last time I bought it and never sold it, right? So I have not sold it since August of 2023. The stock was trading at the time $8.13, and then when it fell after I bought it, I don't know what it was, some time after, I bought it again at 7.52. Because when I bought it at 8.13, it started dropping after that. It went to 7.52, and at 7.52, I said to myself, okay, this is probably the bottom. No one can predict the bottom. And I bought again. It ended up falling even more to go to $4.15. Now, just imagine this, guys. You're in the Discord and you see me saying that, at $8 and at $7.50, and at $7.50, that Skywater Technologies is a buy, and you're like, oh, if Mike said it, let me check it out, and they like it, whatever, and they're like, all right, fine, I'll buy it too. And then you go from $7.52 to $4. What are you gonna think about me? You're probably gonna think this guy's an idiot. He's crazy. He's a lunatic. The stock's down.
You pay no bitch.
Hey, don't talk to me like that, okay?
I am this crap.
Look, I thought I was clear in my email that I needed a couple weeks.
I work too hard.
Can I just get 2 more weeks?
I want my money.
You need to relax.
You're an asshole. I want my money, bitch.
Hey, don't call me bitch. I'm a grown man.
Bitch.
God, you're mean.
The stock now is at $10.14, and it even hit $12 in 2000, recently. So we're up actually. We're very profitable. Skywater Technologies, their latest earnings was on February 26, 2024. The non-GAAP EPS was -2 cents, which beat by 10 cents what the analysts thought, which is amazing. And the revenue of $79.2 million was up 21.7% year over year, beats by $4.36 million. All right, so getting towards that major catalyst, guys, the foundry market was estimated to have shrunk by 10% in 2023, right? And it sort of is continuing like that in 2024. That's not a catalyst, that's positive for Skywater. But guess what? You'll be surprised. In the latest earnings, the company said something so important that I would pay major attention to. This is another thing. If you're a new investor, pay attention to the earnings. And if you don't have time to listen to them live, read the transcript after. I think it's very important. We expect another year of strong revenue growth, outperforming the overall industry, driven by a significant increase in customer-funded tool investments and continued solid growth in core ATS activities, which we expect will partially offset by a lower level of wafer service business. What they also said was the following: we also expect to turn the corner to positive non-GAAP EPS in 2024 and look forward to discussing our success in this key milestone in future calls. Guys, positive non-GAAP EPS in 2024 is actually pretty cool in my opinion, and that, if they succeed in that, and they have another record-breaking year in 2024, then you can expect this stock to trade much higher than $10. Where? $14 in my opinion. That would be the price target. This company is, I think in my opinion, has a lot of tailwinds, not headwinds. headwinds. Now, if you look at the past financial details, you can look at the revenue has been constantly increasing year over year, constant increase, beautiful increase. The gross profit loss doing well. Even the total debt, guys, has decreased. The total debt of the company used to be 92.8 million. 2023, they decreased that to $62.8 million. Price target for Skywater Technologies, guys, is at $14.50. Now, is this stock subject to any type of volatility? Are there any risks? Yeah, there is. I mean, there is. In 2023, for example, last year, it traded around $15 on February 13, 2023. And it ended up dropping after that all the way down to $4. Scared the shit out of a lot of people. But like I said, if you know what you're buying and if you know what this company is about and you do your due diligence, then you bought in a great company, then I don't think you should really be worried. And dips would actually be stunning opportunities to add more shares at a cheaper price. So that's that, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of Skywater Technologies, and I wish you all the best. Take care.